I just want to have fluency in this language. I just want to speak fluent English language. But the question is how? How can I improve my English? How can I learn English language? How can I speak fluent English? Where should I focus? People always suggest me that do reading, do writing, do speaking, do writing. I don't know that which is the main source of improving my English language. I'm confused about it. So hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. My name is Chandrakala and you are watching this video from Learn English with Kala. In today's video, I'm going to talk about three ways that will help you to improve your English, and that helped me to improve my English, and that helped me to have fluency in this language. I'm going to talk about the three ways that I used to follow and I follow these days also, and because of those rules I'm able to speak in English language fluently and effortlessly. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, always I have been asked and I have watched so many videos that in that videos I was getting comments that ma'am, I want to improve my English, I want to speak fluent English language, but the question is how can I learn English language? People always suggest me that to do reading, writing, speaking, whatever you want to do, just do, focus on that, and only by focusing on one thing or two things can I speak fluent English, can I improve my English. So here is your question's answer. What I used to do, I used to follow three rules that helped me a lot to improve my English, and that rule is that reading, speaking, and listening. Yes, guys, you have heard right. I was focusing on reading, listening, and speaking. I never tried to write anything because I'm weak in writing. Even right now, also, if I write something, I know that I will make mistake in spelling. But if I work hard on writing, I will definitely be able to write anything. So, guys, I was focusing on reading and speaking and listening, and these three things helped me a lot to improve my English speaking skill. I was listening whatever videos used to come in my mobile screen. I was watching that, I was listening that English words, and after that I was trying to speak those all words. I was trying to elaborate those all things by my experience, whatever I was gaining from particular that video. So I was trying to speak those all things from myself. And after that I was reading book also. I was reading book because of improving my words, because of improving my confidence, because by reading books we can improve our confidence. Just when you do not know anything, like when you do not know any dishes, how to make any dishes, like for food I'm talking about. So once you read anything on any book, so after that you start feeling confident that yes, even I haven't cooked this food, but I have knowledge that how to cook that. After that you start feeling confidence that yes, I can do that. So I was reading books also for improving my knowledge, and the most important thing is that I wanted to improve my English vocabularies. That's why I was reading books, and because of that I improved my English and I improved my vocabularies a lot because of reading books. So these three things will help you to improve your English, to improve your confidence, to improve your fluency in this language. If you want to have fluency in English language, so just to focus on three things, that is listening, and the second is reading, and third is speaking. You all have to maintain these three rules while doing practice. These all kind of things, we cannot say that only speaking is practice. These three things that I am talking about, this is the part of our learning also. This is the part of our practice. Only by doing practice of speaking, how can you know the real way of learning a language? If you do not know how to say how are you, how to reply the answer of this question, particular question, so how can you reply? You will just know that I'm fine, but there are many ways of replying that questions answer that how are you. So only by readings you will get this knowledge, only by listening you will get knowledge. And after that, if I talk about speaking, so whatever you listen from any video, just to try to speak about those video. Okay, suppose that before watching this video I was watching a movie, so I can talk about that movie, that movie was really so amazing. I was enjoying a lot. I enjoyed a lot while watching that videos, while watching that movie. When I was watching that movie, I was remembering my childhood time, because in that movie there were two children, that children were playing guitar, the children were playing kabaddi. So I used to play with my friends also. You can elaborate like this. You can make situation, you can create situation for speaking in English language. Here one question always I have been asked, not I have been asked, I have been listening from people that if I do not have content, so how can I speak English language? So, guys, I want to reply your questions, answer that. Don't find content, be a content, make a content so that people could talk about your content. If you do not have anything, you have your thoughts, you can talk about that, you can share your thoughts here, you can record yourself, you can talk about your emotion, you can talk about your frustration, you can talk about your situation, you can talk about your weakness, you can talk about your abilities. There are many ways of doing English speaking practice. So don't think that I do not have any content, how can I speak English language, how can I start speaking? You have content, you have so many content, so start speaking on that. Don't wait for the right time, don't wait that when I will be able to speak in English language then I will start speaking. No, guys, don't waste your time for waiting. Best time, this is your correct time. Start from this time so that you could bring your correct time, you could bring your perfect time. Okay, so this is the way that I used to follow, and even right now I also follow that. Even I follow these rules these days also, because I want to have fluency in this language. I follow reading, speaking, and listening. I try to listen a lot, because when I listen English words, I try to speak that word. I try to copy that word. I try to speak that word from my mouth. That am I able to pronounce that word or not? And these things help me a lot to improve my English pronunciation skill also. So there are many benefits if you follow these three rules that I'm talking about. Definitely in within 1 month you will be able to speak in English language fluently and effortlessly. So guys, I hope that you got the three ways of improving your English reading, listening, and speaking. Just maintain consistency and do follow these three rules, and after that see the drastic change. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, so please let me know in the comment box, and you can share your problems with me also, so that I could bring solution about your problem. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.